Hello guys, wonderful subscribers, welcome back. This is Picture speaking. Okay guys, so today I said I was going to show you guys how to grow a small account using the same strategy I used on the $25 account. So if you've not watched the video, if you've not watched the previous video I was talking about where I grew $25 to $100, please check up right there, somewhere up, so you're going to see the video card over there. So click on it and then go watch the video. Okay, so guys, if what I want you guys to do for me is, guys, I want you to like this video. I want you to hit the subscribe button if you're new. Okay, so if you're not yet on our Telegram channel, please go down to the description box below, click the link down there, and then let's make this money all together. So as you can see right here, I'm currently on Boom 500 trade and then Crash 500 buy. Okay, so these trades we are actually sent out to our VIPs and our free Telegram channel. Okay, so guys, let's head into the trade. And finally, I'm about to hit a $300 for this morning. Okay, so guys, boom, I'm done. Okay, so $300, man, you know what that is in my currency over here. So anyways, let's just get straight into the strategy. Okay, so what I want to say right now is I want to actually, okay, I think I'm going to put my phone on airplane mode to avoid unnecessary what is it called, unnecessary notifications. Okay, so guys, pardon me for that, and then I'm gonna put it on airplane mode. Okay, all right guys, so let's go to the strategy that we are talking about. Okay, so before I move to this strategy, please, I want you guys to help me, and after watching this video, tell me what you think about the strategy in the comment section. Please give this video a like and then subscribe to the channel. Okay, so for more updates, and then as well, anything guys, any suggestion you have, any video content you think I should produce, please go down to the description box and then drop your suggestion over there. Okay, so guys, let's move to the strategy. Okay, well, mainly guys, I trade with price action. Okay, I trade with price action, so forget about that. Like I said, I trade with price action. Crash 500. Okay, this is Crash 500. Our TP is hit already. What was the time? Okay, this was 9 a.m. and then kind of a pin bar formation. But anyways, so let's move to the strategy we're talking about. Let me get rid of all this trend lines and all that. Okay, how would you feel if you trade? How would you feel if you trade the RSI the wrong way or in the reversed way? Okay, so we are trading the RSI now in the reverse pattern. That's how the strategy works. Okay, let me add my RSI, the relative strength index. The period is 10, apply to close, and then the levels is just 50, 70, and 30. You can remove the 50 and then have only 70, 30. Okay, so right now we have the 70 and 30 level. Okay, so how does this strategy work? Okay, it's very simple how the strategy works. All right, as you can see the RSI right now, how do people trade the RSI? People trade the RSI in the sense that whenever the RSI gets oversold, they oversold, yeah, when the RSI gets oversold, they buy. All right, and when the RSI gets overbought, they sell. All right, how would you feel if I'm to tell you that whenever we now trade it in the reverse pattern, whenever the RSI is overbought, we buy. Whenever the RSI is oversold, we sell. Okay, it sounds a little bit crazy right now, but guys, I'm going to show you instances of what I'm talking about. But don't always do this when you are not sure. Okay, it has principles, it has rules. Okay, whenever you see that the market is in an uptrend, that's when you do this. Or whenever you see the market is in a downtrend, that's when you do this. Okay, so first of all, you move to the hourly, okay, and then check the trend of the market. If the market is in an uptrend, just as in this case right now, we've been in an uptrend, though I can't identify. Yeah, please, one mistake that people do is identification of trends using a lower time frame. You can't really identify the trend using a lower time frame. Okay, so I'm not here to like preach about price action though, but you have to know all these things. Okay, so right now the market is in an uptrend, then it's now actually consolidating. Okay, so for that reason, the market is in a consolidation zone, so we are bound to be having an up and down movement to and fro on this trade. Okay, so how do I use this RSI in the reverse way to trade? Okay, it's very simple, guys. As you can see right here, the RSI is down here and it's on the 70 level. Okay, when you get to the 70 level, that's when you buy. Sounds crazy, yeah. When it gets to the 30 level, that's when you sell. Yeah, freaking crazy, guys. Make sure it's touching the 70 level or above the 70 level. Okay, so if it's on the 30 level, that's when you sell. But mainly, guys, this strategy is for scalpers and not people that tend to hold trades a long time. Okay, not for people that tend to hold trades a long time. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys a few examples. The trades I took on the $25 to $100 account was actually all in this system. Okay, so guys, as you can see, guys, the market touched the 70 level. Okay, and then after touching, the market touched the 30 level. After touching the 30 level, the market still continued towards the downside. Yeah, why or how did I come up with this kind of idea? From the definition of what is RSI, they said that RSI is a momentum indicator. All right, if it's showing overbought or if it's showing oversold, it actually means that the market is having a strong momentum towards that direction. Okay, so that's when we take advantage of this. Okay, for instance, if the market is oversold, if the market is overbought, as you can see the overbought level right here, the market is overbought at this point. And then see what happened. You buy. Your stop loss is always tight. Okay, trust me, try this out a great number of times and see yourself win. But don't use it in a reckless way. What is a reckless way I'm talking about? Always make sure that the market has the trend that it's following. For instance, this market is in an uptrend right now, creating higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. All right. So when the RSI gets oversold, when the RSI gets overbought, you buy. I believe the RSI got overbought at this level, currently somewhere here. Okay, then you buy. You scalp 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for scalpers. Okay, then you leave the market. Then if it still comes back to that RSI, if the RSI still, after going down a little bit, it still comes back to the 70 level, it's trying to tell you that the market is in an uptrend. It's trying to tell you that the market is in an uptrend. When the market hits the RSI, the 70 level, and then goes up a little bit, then drops and then reverses, comes back immediately to that 70 level, you buy again. Okay. Well, one day I'm going to do a live video trading a small account too with this same strategy. Okay, so over here, the market, as you can see what happened here, for instance, this is what happened here. The market touched the 70 level. If you had bought, your buy position would have been somewhere here. You buy and the market crashed over here. As you can see, the crash, and then turned back again to the 70 level. You buy again, and then the market went all the way up in profit. Okay, so let's check the part of the selling point. Okay, so over here, watch. I don't know why this thing is just popping up on my screen. Okay, so watch this thing right now, guys. You see this what's it called? You see this pullback over here. This pullback over here we are seeing is something like this. Whenever you see something like that, you see the market coming down. Okay, after coming down, after a little bit movement downwards, it reverses or pulls back a little bit and then pushes towards that downside. Go for a sales position. As you can see, got to the 70 level, the RSI got to the 30 level, I mean to say. On the 30 level, that's when you sell. Guys, I've checked this out. I grew a $25 account with this strategy. You too can do it. All right, you too can do it. What I normally tell people is the fact that trading can never be easy. Trust me, trading can never be easy. trading can never be easy, guys. So over here, guys, let's check this particular trend right here. The market got overbought at this level, and that's when we buy. So assuming we bought somewhere here, see what would have happened? Profits. And this is 1 hour candle. You can choose the time frame. You can do this. You can either use the 1 hour, you can use the M15 or the M30. I actually advise M30 or M15. Reason being that lower time frames gives false signal the most, but when you use something like the higher time frame and then the 30 minutes. But the reason why you're going to use the 30 minutes is because you're actually a scalper and a day trader. For you to get trades often, you have to use M30 or M15 rather. Use M15 when you are sure or when you know the trend. Okay, so let's look for other trades, guys. This strategy, when I discovered it, I was fucking shocked. Okay, so see this one here. The market touched the 70 level at this point. Okay, see, watch my RSI, man. Market touched the 70 level at this point. Okay, so let's assume we bought and then place our stop loss just a little bit below the market. Would have lost this trade. Okay, no strategy is 100%. Once I show you guys the winning part, I will show you the losing part. That's just me. I'm always transparent as possible. Okay, so over here, as you can see what happened, the market, after hitting the 70 level and then dropping, it's now reversed back immediately and touched the 70 level. That would have been where we'll buy again, and then would have made profit of at least 1 hour candle. Okay, so let's look at the selling part of it. Okay, the guys, this is the selling part of the market. You see what happened again? The market pulled down, touching the 30 level as of here, touching the 30 level. Then the pullback happened and then market spiked down again, hitting the 30 level. That's when you sell. I didn't mean you sold. This would have been your profit. Okay, so guys, I'm always transparent as fuck as possible. So this is crash. This is what's it called? This is crash 500. It hit our 70 level and I did what? I bought. Though I made this entry using price action. So I'm looking to combine this and price action and see how it's gonna go. So let's check another pair, guys. Okay, so this is a step index. Or this is step index. So once we hit the 30 level or the 70 level, we hit the 30 level at this point. Okay, let me mark it. I don't want to make this video that long, guys. We hit the 30 level at this point. Okay, on this candle. So that would have been our selling point. We sell the market. Scalp, guys, scalp. As you can see, the market came down a little bit and then went back to consolidate. After the consolidate, it's pulled back down to the 30 level again. You still sell profits. Okay. Yeah, guys, so like we try and make money as possible, like you get that kind of a thing. So let's check the buying part of it. This is the buying part of it. Okay, we hit the 70 level at this point. This is 70 level, you buy. See what the market did. Boom. Okay, the reason why I came to discover this at all is, have you imagined, have you been in that position whereby you're looking for the RSI to get oversold or overbought, and immediately it gets oversold or overbought, but yeah, the market still keeps on pulling up? You're going to start wondering what is happening, and that's when people will start stacking up position, waiting for when the RSI hits its maximum level to retrace back. This is when you take advantage of the market. Okay, so guys, few examples though. I don't want to make the video that long. All right, so here we hit the 30 level at this point. Very powerful strategy, guys. We hit the 30 level at this point. Okay, so this is where we hit the 30 level. You sell. The market went down. For those of them who will be buying, some people will buy in here, some people will be buying here because the RSI is oversold. People stacking up buys at this point, and then you're stacking sells, guys. Watch profits. It went up, hit the 70 level at the zone. You buy, you retrace a little bit. Profit, guys. Profit, massive. Okay, so this is the strategy, guys. No other strategy like I didn't use any other thing. This was exactly what I used. All right. Their losses, their wins. Their losses, their wins. It's not always a win-win. I'll always be transparent as possible. It's not always a win-win. All right. So that's it, guys. Well, anyways, let's get back to our trades. Let's see what we got. Okay, guys. All right, boom, guys. $346 profit. All right, guys, this is Pipshudo signing out, guys.